Welding art, the Ukrainian researchers joining steel and sculpture. When Ukrainian sculptor Serhii Minakov set out to create Into the Future, a towering steel artwork featuring a young man and woman inside a globe, he ran into a problem familiar to anyone who has tried to weld complex sculptures. How do you make a strong, clean joint when you can only reach it from one side? Traditional arc welding works well when you can access a joint from both sides and grind away any excess metal. But for the non-standard junctions typical of sculptural steelwork, that simply isn't possible. Conventional brazing, using a lower melting point filler metal to bond parts without fully melting them, requires a precise, narrow gap between surfaces, something almost impossible to guarantee across the many angles found in artwork. Now, Yevgenia Chevertko and her colleagues at the National Technical University of Ukraine and the National Academy of Sciences of Ukraine have developed a technique that blends welding and brazing, and the results are striking both aesthetically and mechanically. The team's solution uses a tungsten inert gas arc to heat the steel rod ends until small pools of molten metal form, then introduce a copper silicon filler wire into those pools. The liquid solder mixes with the molten steel, flows into the gap, and crystallizes into a joint that is mechanically robust and visually tidy, with minimal cleanup required. The team's tests showed that joints made with their new technique withstood tensile forces of up to 34.3 kilonewtons, around 23% stronger than those produced by conventional methods. The mixing of liquid steel and bronze solder creates a composite structure reinforced with steel fibers, which accounts for much of the strength gain. The technology has already proven itself in the real world. Minakov's completed sculpture was produced entirely using the new method and selected for the International Institute of Welding's 2023 Digital Collection Welded Art photographic exhibition. For Chevertko and her collaborators, art and engineering have rarely been so closely entwined.